In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the calendar in Asana. The calendar is one of the clearest ways to understand what's due and when inside a project. It gives you a visual map of your tasks across days and weeks so you can spot busy periods, plan ahead, and keep deadlines realistic. In just a couple of moments, you'll see exactly where to find it and what to expect when you get there. First, go to your project in Asana. Open Asana in your browser or desktop app and head to the specific project where your tasks live. You can select it from the sidebar or search for it if that's faster. Once the project page loads, you'll be on its main overview with the project's name at the top and your usual navigation tabs just beneath it. This is your home base for everything related to that project, including the view we want. Next, click on Calendar. You'll find the calendar option along the top of the project next to other views like list, board, or timeline. Click Calendar and the project will switch to a grid that lays out the current month by default. This is the project's calendar, showing all tasks in this project that have due dates assigned. A few quick things to note, so the view makes sense right away. The calendar will only display tasks that have due dates. If a task doesn't appear here, it likely doesn't have a due date yet, or it lives in a different project. You may notice that completed tasks can appear with a different visual style, depending on your filters and settings, which helps you distinguish what's already done from what's still open. Colors or icons may reflect custom fields, sections, or assignees, giving you context at a glance. If your team works across time zones, keep in mind that due dates are shown based on your Asana account's time settings, which helps align expectations. As you look over the grid, use it as a quick scan for workload. Clusters of tasks on the same day can signal a pinch point, while gaps might be an opportunity to spread work more evenly. You'll also notice that weekend days and holidays may appear lighter or differently styled depending on your settings, so it's easier to see true working time. That's all there is to it. Go to your project in Asana, then click on Calendar to see everything laid out by date. With this view, you'll get instant clarity on upcoming work and can plan with confidence. Thanks for watching and enjoy organizing your projects with the calendar view.